So today, well, first of all, happy October. Yeah, so somebody that reached out to me last week or whatever, and it was just like, do you want to host a yoga challenge? And I'm just like, oh my God, me? And I'm just like, oh my God, yes. So today is day one of this yoga challenge, guys, and I'm gonna do the 10 poses, and we're gonna be doing this for 10 days straight. So you best to get into it, okay? And join in. Make sure you use the hashtag Black Yoga Challenge. You can put I'm the Queen Fitness, Curvy Girl Fitness. I'm gonna put all of that in the description box too. But yes, let's get our yoga on, guys. So the fun thing about this challenge too is it is super simple. And again, like this challenge and every challenge is your own. Okay, so don't be thinking about like, oh, this person could do this better, that person could do this better. It doesn't matter. It's your own. But the poses are fairly simple. So if you're just getting into yoga, or if you want to deepen or increase your stretches and everything like that, and just kind of get better with what you're doing, this is going to help you with that too. So this is really for everybody. Everybody could do this. At first, I was a little bit intimidated, but then when I saw what it was, I was like, oh, I could do that. So yeah. Make sure you join and let's get into it. So I'm gonna go through the poses one by one. There's 10 poses. You hold them for 15 seconds, and you do this once a day for 10 days. So let's get into it. Okay, so after going through that, this is pretty much what you call a sun salutation. So, or yeah, that one is a sun salutation. So you could pretty much do rounds of that, and you're really working on your whole body, arms, legs, backs, abs, backs, like you have more than one, but anyway, back, abs is really helping your whole body, and you can do as many rounds as you want. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I hope you join. Namaste.